As many of you know, I like to take walks in the morning. And I especially like going out there when the weather is not great. If it's raining, hailing, snowing, I love that challenge. Well, why do I get excited about that? When it's sunny and everything is perfect, I see a lot of people out, but suddenly when the conditions are bad, I feel like I'm the only one out there. That same goes for when I used to play sports. When the conditions are well, certain people are practicing, and when the conditions are not ideal, then you see the people that are extremely dedicated and the ones that are making the most progress still out there practicing and working hard. I always get super excited about going out on days which are not ideal, that not everyone wants to put in the work, because those are the days where you're getting ahead and pushing yourself into new areas. Anyone can go out and do things when the conditions are ideal, when things aren't coming at you and everything is positive. It's the days which are tougher, where you have resistance, you have things that are not going in your favor. You're not feeling 100%. It's how you manage those days that ultimately will determine how fast and how effectively you'll reach your goal. So get excited about the challenge, because that's what's gonna ultimately drive you to the goal that's important to you faster. There's a few other videos you wanna check out. You start with this one right here, and I'll see you over there.